Hi students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss an implementation of a priority queue data structure. An implementation of priority queue data structure. So what is this priority queue that I have already done the video? You please watch that video. Okay. To implement this priority queue data structure, this binary heap is used. Now, what is meant by a binary heap? So generally, heap means collection of elements. Binary heap means here two properties it has to satisfy. So what are those two properties? First property is structure property. First property is structure property. Second one is a heap order property. Second one is a heap order property. So if these two properties are satisfied, then that tree we can say it as a binary heap. A structure property and a heap order property. Okay. So this what is mean by this structure property? Structure property means the structure of the tree will be in the form of a complete binary tree. If you have not seen the video of this complete binary tree, you please watch the video. I have explained types of trees. Okay. So, structure property means that a tree should be a complete binary tree. Heap order property means that may be a minimum heap or a maximum heap. Okay. So now, so what is this complete binary tree? Complete binary tree is a binary tree in which the elements are inserted from left to right, and after filling the lowest level, then only it has to come to the next level nodes. That is complete binary tree. Okay, that means this is complete binary tree. Like for example, A, B, C, D. This is a complete binary tree. For example, this is not a complete binary tree. After this D, B is left, we have to insert the node here. Next we have to insert C is left and then only C is right. So it is not a binary heap or it is not a complete binary tree. Okay. So now see, what is this max heap, min heap? In a complete binary tree, CBT, the parent is greater than its children. Parent is greater than its children, then it is called as max heap. If the parent is less than its children, then it is called as min heap. In a complete binary tree, if parent is greater than its children, then it is called as max heap. Parent is less than its children, then it is called as a min heap. I will show you examples. For example, the elements are like this: 40, 30, 28, 19, 16, 14. For example, this is the tree. Now, I want to check whether it is a max heap or min heap. Max heap or min heap. Now, parent is, now see here root node. Parent is greater than its both of the children, 30 and 28. And this is the parent for 19 and 16 now. So 30 is greater than its 19 and 16. Yeah, it is also satisfying. Parent greater than its children. Here 28 is greater than 14. Yeah. What happened here? Here parent is greater than its children. So what is this called as? This is called as max heap. Now similarly, what is a min heap? Min heap means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Or for example, 70 is not there. Okay. Now if this is the case, now what type of heap it is? So parent is 10. 10 is less than both 20 and 30. Here 20 is less than both 40 and 50. Here 30 is less than 60. Yeah. Parent is less than its children. So what is this called as? This is called as max heap. Okay. So if a tree is like max heap or like in the form of min heap, then it is called as a binary heap. It is called as a binary heap. Okay, so another example, example 2. For example, here like 28, 32, 40, like 39, 45, 60. Here what happened? Parent is less than its children. Parent is less than its children. Parent is less than its children. Here it is satisfying heap order property, but it is not satisfying structure property. This property is failed, so it is not a binary heap. What is the structure property? Structure property is nothing but what? It is a complete binary tree. Okay, so complete binary tree means, see, after inserting 40 is left, then only 60 has to insert as 40 is right. So it is not a binary tree. Why? Because it is not satisfying the structure property. Heap order property, here it is satisfying. That means a parent is less than its children. So it is satisfying the property. If it is satisfying the property, then we can say that if both the properties are satisfied, then we can say that simply it is a binary heap. If it is only satisfying, then it is simply what? Just we can say it as complete binary tree. That's it. It is satisfying, then it is called as complete binary tree. If it is satisfying, if it is satisfying, it is called as a heap order property satisfied. But if both are satisfied, then only we can say that it is a binary heap. Hope you understand, students, what is the representation of a binary tree. So what is meant by that structure property, what is meant by heap order property. Hope you understand, students. If you understand the concept, please share with your friends. Okay. If you like the video, please share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.